Welcome to our channel. This video, created by artificial intelligence, aims to compare the contributions of three great minds: Galileo, Newton, and Einstein. Please forgive any errors in the script or irrelevant media. Our journey starts in the late 1600s with the birth of a man destined to change our understanding of the universe, Galileo Galilei. Active from 1564 to 1642, Galileo's work revolutionized the way we look at the cosmos. Galileo's first major accomplishment was the enhancement of the telescope, a device that would forever change our perspective of the universe. Not satisfied with the rudimentary instruments of his day, Galileo took it upon himself to improve the telescope, increasing its magnification power. This allowed him to observe celestial bodies with unprecedented clarity. Among his many discoveries, Galileo found 4 of Jupiter's moons, a significant contribution to astronomy. This observation supported the then controversial heliocentric model of the solar system, in which the planets orbit the Sun, not the Earth. His discoveries challenged the status quo, pushing humanity towards a more accurate understanding of our place in the cosmos. Galileo also made significant strides in the field of physics, particularly in the understanding of motion and inertia. He proposed that an object in motion would stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force, a principle that would later be formalized by Newton as the first law of motion. Galileo's work was groundbreaking, offering a fresh perspective on the universe and our place within it. His improvements to the telescope opened up the heavens for detailed observation, and his theories on motion laid the groundwork for the laws of physics we still use today. Galileo's work laid the foundation for future scientists to build upon, including our next subject, Sir Isaac Newton. Moving forward to the late 17th and early 18th century, we encounter Sir Isaac Newton, a physicist and mathematician who built upon Galileo's work. This English scholar was a key figure in the scientific revolution, transforming the way we understand the world around us. Sir Isaac Newton is best known for his laws of motion and universal gravitation. His first law of motion, often referred to as the law of inertia, states that an object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force. This was a revolutionary idea at the time and clarified Galileo's earlier work on inertia. Newton's second law of motion introduces the concept of force. It states that the force acting on an object is equal to the mass of that object times its acceleration. This law provided a quantitative way to measure force, a significant advancement in the field of physics. The third law, perhaps the most famous, is the law of action and reaction. It states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This law explains how forces work in pairs and is still used today to predict the motion of objects. In addition to his laws of motion, Newton also developed the law of universal gravitation. This law describes how every particle of matter in the universe attracts every other particle with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. This law not only explained why objects fall towards the Earth, but it also explained the motion of planets in our solar system. Newton's work, including his laws of motion, significantly expanded upon Galileo's discoveries and furthered our understanding of the universe. His contributions laid the foundation for classical physics and were so influential that they remained largely unchallenged until the next scientist on our list, Albert Einstein, expanded upon them in the early 20th century. Fast forward to the 1900s, and we find Albert Einstein, a theoretical physicist who revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Born in 1879 in Germany, Albert Einstein spent most of his life working on theories that would change the face of physics. His work was a continuation of the scientific advancements made by Galileo Galilei and Sir Isaac Newton, but he took their work a step further, digging deep into the mysteries of the universe. Einstein's most notable accomplishment, the theory of relativity, is a cornerstone of modern physics. This theory, published in 1905, tackles the concepts of space, time, and gravity. It built upon Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation, but it also challenged them. Newton's laws suggested that space and time were absolute, but Einstein proposed that they are interwoven into a single continuum known as space-time. In this continuum, Objects with mass cause space-time to curve, and this curvature is what we perceive as gravity. This was a stark departure from Newton's concept of gravity as a force acting between two bodies. It was a remarkable advancement, a leap forward in our understanding of the universe. Einstein didn't stop there. He further developed his theory, leading to the formulation of the general theory of relativity in 1915. This theory has been confirmed by numerous experiments and observations, such as the bending of light by gravity and the slowing of time in strong gravitational fields. Throughout his career, Einstein also made significant contributions to quantum mechanics, statistical mechanics, and the unified field theory. His work has been crucial in numerous scientific breakthroughs and technological advancements, from GPS systems that rely on his understanding of space-time to nuclear power and weapons that stem from his famous equation, mc2. Einstein's influence is profound and pervasive. Work continues to shape our understanding of the universe, demonstrating the power of scientific progression. Einstein's legacy, much like those of Galileo and Newton, is a testament to the enduring pursuit of knowledge and the human capacity for understanding the cosmos. Now, having discussed each scientist individually, we can appreciate the progression of their work. Let's start with Galileo Galilei, who was active during the late 16th and early 17th centuries. Galileo, often known as the father of observational astronomy, made significant contributions to the scientific revolution. His major accomplishments include the improvement of the telescope and his consequential astronomical observations. Galileo's work laid the groundwork for the future of scientific exploration, setting the stage for the next great mind. Now, enter Sir Isaac Newton, active in the late 17th and early 18th centuries. Newton took Galileo's work a step further. His major contributions include the laws of motion and universal gravitation. These revolutionary concepts built upon Galileo's observations, providing a mathematical explanation for the motion of celestial bodies. Newton's work, in turn, set the stage for the next leap in understanding the universe. Fast forward to the early 20th century, and we find Albert Einstein. Einstein's work was built substantially upon the foundations laid by Newton. His theory of relativity offered a new perspective on the concepts of space, time, and gravity. This groundbreaking work, building upon the mathematical framework provided by Newton, revolutionized our understanding of the universe. In essence, each of these scientific maestros built upon the work of their predecessor. Galileo's observational prowess laid the groundwork for Newton's mathematical principles, which in turn provided the platform for Einstein's revolutionary theory of relativity. Their major accomplishments are intertwined, each one leading to a deeper understanding of the universe and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. These three men, through their groundbreaking work, have shaped our understanding of the universe and continue to inspire scientists today. Their contributions remind us that science is a collective effort, built on the foundations laid by those who came before us. The work of Galileo, Newton, and Einstein serves as a testament to the power of curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge. Today, we've taken a journey through time, exploring the contributions of Galileo, Newton, and Einstein. These towering figures have shaped our understanding of the universe, each building upon the work of his predecessor in a grand relay race of scientific discovery. In the 17th century, Galileo Galilei, the father of modern science, set the stage with his groundbreaking work in observational astronomy, laying the foundation for the scientific method. His discoveries in the realm of physics, particularly the laws of motion, revolutionized how we perceive the world around us. Then came Sir Isaac Newton in the late 17th and early 18th centuries. Newton built on Galileo's work, formulating the universal laws of gravitation and motion that underpin classical mechanics. His laws not only describe the motion of celestial bodies, but also everyday objects on Earth. Fast forward to the early 20th century, and we have Albert Einstein challenging and redefining Newton's laws. His theory of relativity brought about a paradigm shift in our understanding of space, time, and gravity. It's thanks to Einstein that we can comprehend the vastness of the universe and the behavior of objects moving at near light speeds. Our understanding of the universe is a testament to the collective genius of these three men, each standing on the shoulders of the one before. Their contributions are interwoven, creating a rich tapestry of scientific understanding that continues to inspire and drive discovery today. To delve deeper into the lives and works of these great minds, we encourage you to explore the links provided in the description. There, you'll find a wealth of information, from in-depth articles to fascinating biographies. Remember, if you're watching this on a mobile device, you may need to press "More" several times to view the full description. If you're watching on a TV, please access the description via a laptop or mobile device. Thank you for joining us today. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos. Stay curious and keep exploring.